What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day outside. We're back in the shed tinkering, and today our friends from Off-Road Canada, off-road.ca, hooked us up with this rough country hitch for our Can-Am Maverick X3 here. That's right, we're gonna haul some trailers. I've got this 4-foot enclosed trailer that I use for work, and I'm gonna attempt to take it UTV camping. It's what I do, apparently. Needs a little sanding and some paint, but all this trailer stuff got me fired up. Let's go camping. Tricky driving like this. I got the camera like 3 feet over to the side. I gotta go way to the right, and I'm towing a trailer trying not to hit rocks and bushes. That's what I do. Whoa, camera almost got nailed. Off-road life. That trailer probably didn't expect to live it when I bought it. That's what we do. Oh, this looks like a good camping spot right up here. Set up. See if we can't back her in there beside her. This is wicked. I can't believe I never seen this campsite before. It's already got a fireplace and a bench. Almost like someone lived here. Oh, damn. I forgot the barbecue. I gotta run in the house. So again, this is a rough country hitch for your Can-Am Maverick X3. It's supplied by Off-Road Canada, Canada's largest off-road parts supplier. Check them out. off-road.ca. Big thank you to those guys for helping us out with our adventures off-road camping. Hey, if you've seen the videos before, I always say, yeah, I'm no mechanic. So I think I just came up with a new slogan. I'm no mechanic, but this shit looks easy. Let's do it. All right, we're all set up with our trusty Vevor air jack. I got it up on a couple planks there, because as you know, the suspension on these X3s is quite substantial. So we might need a little extra lift. This thing does lift about 16 inches though. Pretty good unit. Oh, close the valve. We don't got to take it right off the ground. We just got to get the pressure off the wheels. Come on now. There she is. I'll tell you one thing. That is a thin piece of crap compared to the thickness of this. And you might say, well, that doesn't have enough bolts. And you're right. But that was because this was designed for, I think, 21 and below model. And a 22 and above model, it'll still work. It's just not as strong without these, but you don't have to use them. At least that's what the instructions say. Ah, yeah, buddy. There we go. Let's get the bolts put on. That ought to do it. Wow. We'll go borrow a torque wrench from Matt, I guess. Right, Matt? Thanks again, Off-Road Canada. They got more than just side-by-side parts. They got parts for your trucks, Jeeps, everything, you name it. They're the largest parts supplier, off-road parts supplier in the country. Check those guys out. Let's go haul a trailer with this thing. Here's the trailers we're going to be hauling. This one, not so much, maybe just for fun. It's what I do. This one is my tool trailer for work, and ever since I got it, I've been wanting to get a hitch on this bad boy and take it for a night or two camping. I'm foolish. It's what we're gonna do. Steal this hitch off the truck. I got a spare one in the wife's vehicle, but it's not here. Don't tow it that very often. I'm gonna put some spray paint on this baby. We'll try her. Alright, I got this thing full of tools. But I can still sling it around. Got no hookup from the lights yet. I'd like to because I want to haul it through town. Street legal here, right? Wonder who I can get to do that for me. Let's do it. This is wicked. She seems to be towing good, at least on the cement or asphalt and around the dirt road. Let's see if I can back her up. I'll hold the camera at the same time. Not too bad. Click her over into high gear. It's a little sluggish getting it going. It's got a bunch of tools in it, but once you get it going, it's fine. I guess you just gotta give it to her. We really are going to go camping. Just throwing together a little skit for you guys. All jokes aside, this would be a nice little camp spot. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Check them out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.
They call me a god.